Hello everyone, myself Kashish and I'm here to represent our team Oblivion Syntax. So now let's move forward to a problem statement. India ranks as the third most disaster prone country in the whole world, and despite having the world class tsunami warning system, coastal hazards like cyclones, tsunamis, and oil spills they happen every year and cause a huge amount of destruction. Our current system is reactive. Information trickles through slow channels, but by the time it reaches the authorities, it's often too late. So, our team, Oblivion Syntax, is here to propose a solution on this problem. We propose Jaladhi. Jaladhi is a real time information platform that transforms all the people living on our coast as our potential sensors. Disaster strikes suddenly. During the Kerala floods in 2018, 60% of the rescue leads came from social media and not from the official channels. But false information and lack of real time verification can delay responses. What if we could close this information gap? What if our citizens, tourists, and fishermen could instantly report any hazards that they see in real time? Our system is built on a modern, scalable microservices architecture. Now, let's move forward to a video prototype. Here is the landing page of our website. As the problem was given by Ministry of Earth Sciences, so it's listed there along with the emblem of Government of India. The heading says India Disaster Alert and Aid Platform. On the right hand side of this, we have various coastal locations like Goa, Kerala, Mumbai, Pondicherry, Kolkata, Chennai, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Puri, Mangalore, and Gujarat. Along with that, we have the language section where we can switch between Hindi and English. Okay, we have five various sections in here. The first one is current alerts, second is request help, third is provided, fourth is weather forecast, and fifth is emergency contacts. As we have selected the location of Mumbai, we can see the current safety alerts in Mumbai. First, heavy rainfall alert. Second, transportation disruption. Third, relief centers operational. We have added relief center operationals 2 times. Second section, request help. Request help is where we can fill our emergency help form which requires immediate action. For that, we have to first fill our full name, phone number, exact location and address. Second, type of help needed: food and water, medical aid, shelter accommodation, transportation, financial aid, rescue evacuation, or other. Then we have urgency level. The first one is life threatening, which is immediate. Second is urgent, which shall be solved between 24 hours. And third one is non urgent, which can take up to 48 hours. Next, we can select number of people that are affected, and we can also add detailed description if we want to add any, and upload images. We can choose a file from our device and upload them, then submit help request. The third section is provide aid. Here the aid can be classified on high priority, medium priority, and low priority. This section connects us directly with the volunteers. Like the first one, we have Rajesh Kumar from Mumbai, and we can ask from their help now and also call them now. And there are other volunteers. Fourth one is weather forecast. Weather forecast gives us 5-day weather forecast and travel safety guide of that particular area and location. Then we have emergency contacts, which give us important numbers and local services for emergencies. First, we have national emergency contacts that are available 24/7: police, fire brigade, ambulance, disaster management, women helpline, and child helpline. Next, we have local emergency services, that is District Collector Office of Mumbai, Local Relief Center of Mumbai, and nearest hospital. We have also given few emergency calling tips like stay calm and speak clearly, provide your exact location, and describe the emergency briefly. Follow the operator's instruction. Now, we are changing our website into Hindi, and here we have it in Hindi. Yes, our website is bilingual, and here we have a chatbot. It is a pandemic voice bot which we can ask our problems and it will give us the solution. Initially, our solution is student driven, but for making it actually impactful in real life, we need government's assistance. Our AI agents will filter out the information and see if the information is true, then it will go to the ministries of the respective concerns and they will dissolve the solution. And if the information is false or it is rumor, then it will go into trash. So, this is the solution we are proposing, and we really hope you like it. Thank you so much.